Hello everyone and welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to make your PC faster by following a series of effective steps. I've also created an ultimate cleaning script that I'll share with you at the end of the video, so stick around until then. Let's get started.
First, press Windows R, type %temp%, then select everything with Ctrl-A and delete with the delete key. If some files can't be deleted, make sure all programs are closed or simply restart your PC and try again.
Next, repeat the same process, but this time type temp in the run window. Then delete everything inside just like before. After that, open the run box once again and type prefetch. This folder contains cached files that Windows uses, and cleaning it can help, especially if you're using a hard drive. Select all files inside and delete them. Don't worry if some files remain. That's normal. Now go to the search bar and type disk cleanup. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Once it opens, check the same boxes I do in this video, as these are the best options for a complete cleanup. Press OK and let it remove the unnecessary files. Next, open your settings by pressing Windows I. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and uninstall anything you don't need anymore. This will free up space and reduce background activity. After that, right-click on your taskbar, open the Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable any programs you don't want to launch automatically with Windows. This will significantly speed up your boot time. Now let's optimize your drives. Search for Defragment and Optimize Drives, select your drives, and click Optimize. For HDD users, this process can take a while, but it's very useful. For SSD users, the process is much faster, and Windows will perform a trim operation instead of a defrag, which is safe and recommended. Once that's done, go back to Settings, then to Windows Update, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates is important for stability, security, and performance improvements. Next, press Windows plus R, type sysdm.cpl, and open the Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Choose Custom Settings, and check only the boxes that improve smoothness without overloading your PC. This disables unnecessary animations while keeping Windows usable and fast. Then, go to the Advanced tab, and under Virtual Memory, click Change, Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your main drive and set a custom size. I recommend 16,384 megabytes for both the initial and maximum size. Apply the settings, press OK several times, and restart your computer when asked for the changes to take effect. Now press Windows plus R again, type powercfg.cpl, and select High Performance Mode or Ultimate Performance if available. This gives your PC full power, though keep in mind that on laptops it will use more battery. Next, right-click the Start menu, open Windows Terminal Admin, and type the command chkdskf. Press Enter, confirm with Y, and at the next restart, Windows will scan and repair your disk automatically. Another important step is removing Microsoft bloatware that wastes system resources. For this, we'll use Bulk Crap Uninstaller. You'll find the download link in the description. Once installed, open it, select the unnecessary apps you want to remove, and click Uninstall. Choose Kill All and confirm. A command line window will appear to finish the process automatically. After that, I recommend using autoruns, a powerful tool that lets you disable or remove unnecessary services and startup tasks. Be careful though, only uncheck items you are sure you don't need, as disabling critical services could cause problems. Another great tool is Intelligent Standby List Cleaner, or ISLC. This free software manages your RAM efficiently by clearing standby memory so it doesn't get overloaded. I'll show you my exact settings, which you can copy to keep your memory usage smooth and balanced. Finally, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I've created a powerful script that automatically cleans temporary files, dumps, logs, disables telemetry services, and optimizes SSDs in one single run. To use it, copy the script from the description into a text file, save it, then rename the file with a .ps1 extension. If you don't see extensions, open File Explorer, go to View, then enable File Name Extensions. Once renamed, right-click the file and select Run with PowerShell. The process may take a while, but once it's done, you'll notice a real performance boost. And that's it for today's video. I really hope these steps help you speed up your PC. If they did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content. This was Smart PC Tips, and I'll see you in the next one.